This is WhisperSister. I'm not doing too well right now. I've had a hard day. And I guess I just wanted to talk about it to no one and everyone. I'm just sort of, I guess, lonely today, realizing that I am alone. Which is fine. Most of the time it's okay, you know. Most of the time I mean, there's more to life than being with someone. And that stuff right now is what I'm really excited actually about exploring and learning. So the majority of the time I'm fine, but every once in a while it just kind of hits me. I've been finding I miss I've been craving, like, I guess, physical intimacy. And I don't mean, like, romantic or sexual. I just mean, like, a touch, you know? Having someone hug you. Or just being close to someone like that. I've been missing that lately. And today at work I was in the washroom, and as I was washing my hands I was just looking at myself in the mirror, and this is going to sound really stupid, but I'm not super crazy about the way I look. So I have issues, so that's fine. One of the features of mine that I don't mind is my mouth. So anyway, I was just looking at myself, and it just sort of had this overwhelming feeling of I just miss kissing someone. Maybe it's because I haven't seen my cat in a while. I don't know. You know what I mean? It's just, I guess kissing is one of the few things that you need someone on the other end. Anyway, sorry, that's probably too much information, but yeah, I just sort of had a momentary sadness and a feeling of wanting to kiss somebody that I care about. Whatever. I just kind of want to put this video up because all my videos I've been really trying to put on a brave face about this whole thing, and I've been focusing on the positives, you know, and I'm going to continue to do this is fairly anonymous still. And I do get support from you guys, you know. So, I don't know, I need support right now. And I don't really have anyone to give that to me. And I know I need to give it to myself, ultimately. I wanted to, I guess, come clean about something that I've been alluding to but not really mentioning in detail. Not that I feel like I have to explain, you know, but just for the sake of honesty, because I've had a couple of people contact me recently, thanking me for my videos and saying that they're going through similar situations maybe, or just they can relate to how I'm feeling and what I'm going through, and I feel like I haven't been completely honest and accurate about what I'm actually going through, because a lot of what I talk about in my videos that you may assume has to do with my breakup doesn't actually. There's someone else, I guess, that I've been sort of involved with, or close to anyway, throughout this whole thing, pretty much. And I think that that has helped me to get through it, but that's not all it was at all, by any means. But I mean, I think that that's part of why I've seemed so optimistic and positive about my breakup, because there was something else going on that was incredible. And also made it very, very clear that me leaving my relationship was the right thing to do. And that was useful, because I think otherwise I may have possibly doubted myself. But anyways, this other thing is